Good morning, students. Last week we have learned lesson number 1, Maharashtra before Shivaji Maharaj. And today we are going to take lesson number 2, Work of the Sons. SAINTS. Sons means a very good, kind person which teaches you good things. Likewise, your teachers. टीचर सुद्धा आपल्याला छान छान गोष्टी सांगतात की नाही. During a period of about 300 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many sons were born in Maharashtra. महाराष्ट्राला संतांची भूमी म्हणून पण ओळखलं जातं. The sons did a lot of work for the people. They taught people various virtues like compassion, non-violence, charity, service, equality, and brotherhood. No one is inferior, no one is superior. All are equal. ओके, कोणी उच्च नाही आणि कोणी नीच नाही. सर्व सगळे काय आहेत? सारखे आहेत. Such was the sentiment that was created by sons in the minds of people. So let us learn about the sons who passed away in Maharashtra in the lesson today. The tradition of sons that began in Maharashtra with Sri Chakradhar Swami. Sri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince from Gujarat. गुजरातचे ते राजे होते. And he became an ascetic. Ascetic means sannyasi. And came over to Maharashtra. He did not believe in any discrimination based on gender. Gender means female or female. And caste. The sect means a group. He established that is called Mahanubhav. A book about him, Leela Charitra, is said to have all the secrets of the universe. Sant Namdev. Sant Namdev was a great devotee of Vitthal. He lived in the village Narsi near Hingoli. He composed numerous songs in praise of God and performed kirtan. Kirtan means song and stories based on a religious theme. कीर्तन बघितलेलं आहात ना तुम्ही? तिथं गाणं, स्टोरीज मीन्स गोष्टी असतात, डान्स करतात. ओके, देन संत नामदेव moved all over Maharashtra and spread Bhagavad Dharma. He traveled to the Punjab and spread the message of equality among the people there. Okay, he composed song in Hindi. Even today, some of his verses are included in Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikhs. Sant Jnaneshwar Maharaj, you must know them. Okay, Sant Jnaneshwar's family belonged to Apegaon. Nivruttinath and Sopandev were his brother and Muktabai was his sister. People hated his father because as he took sannyas and later returned, married and had children. लग्नाच्या आधी संन्यास घेतलं आणि नंतर लग्न केलं. Okay, the narrow-minded religious leaders did not think it right that a sannyasi should have children and banished them from their community. Means त्यांना समाजातून काढून घेतलं. He spread the message of equality, generosity, and helping others. Okay, Jnaneshwar Maharaj wrote Jnaneshwar in Marathi language. Jnaneshwari, book which tells people how to think and how to behave. Jnaneshwar Maharaj wrote Jnaneshwar in Marathi language because in those days all religious teaching was confined to Sanskrit book. The language of ordinary people in everyday use was Marathi. So Jnaneshwar Maharaj wrote Jnaneshwari in Marathi language. At a very early age, फार लहान वयामध्ये, at Alandi near Pune, Jnaneshwar Maharaj took samadhi. Okay, and even today On the 11th day of Ashad and Kartik, lakhs of pilgrims means Varkari, go to Alandi Pandhari with devotion. Sant Eknath, he lived in Paithan. He praised that the way to reach God was through devotion. Bhakti Marg, he worked numerous religious songs, abhang, ovis, and bharuds. He made friends with the poor and the downtrodden and taught them devotion to God. Eknath Maharaj impressed the message of love and equality on the minds of the people. Sant Tukaram Maharaj. Tukaram Maharaj came from Dehu near Pune. The two great sons, Tukaram and Ramdas, lived in Shivaji's time. He owned a farm and also a grocery shop. Grocery means जिथं धान्यांची दुकानं होती त्यांची. His forefather used to lend money to the needy people. But Tukaram drowned in the river Indrayani all the records of loan papers he had, and thus giving relief to many. He wrote devotional songs, abhangs, and performed kirtans. Shivaji Maharaj also attained his kirtans. He impressed this turn on the mind of the people. And even today, all over Maharashtra, we hear people proclaiming Gyanba Tukaram. Okay, the names of the two great sons, Sant Dhaneshwar is called Gyanba also. Even today, Tukaram Gatha is read in every home like ज्ञानेश्वरी. प्रत्येकांच्या घरामध्ये तुकाराम गाथा ऑलमोस्ट असतेच आणि ज्ञानेश्वरी सुद्धा. समर्थ रामदास. At the same time, the hills and valleys of Maharashtra were filled with the echoes of जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ. ओके, आपण मनाचे श्लोक म्हणतो ना आपण असेंब्लीमध्ये, तिथं असतो ना ऐकायला, तुम्ही ऐकताय ना जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ. दॅट इज ग्लोरी बी टू द ग्रेट रामा. Ramdas was born at Jam on the banks of the Godavari in Maharashtra. His birthday falls on रामनवमी. त्यांचा जन्म कधी झाला होता? रामनवमीच्या दिवशी. The day on which the great hero Rama was born, and Narayan was his real name, but he preferred to call himself Ramdas. Ramdas means servant of Rama, Ramaचा सेवक. Through his great book Das Bodh, he taught men the ways of good life. Okay, through his Manache Shlok, yes, means stanza addressed to the mind. He gave people lesson in good thoughts and good conducts to popularize the worship of strength. He raised the temples of Hanuman, the god of strength.